HubSpot integration. You can set up a presentation, create a link and assign it to your contact through your HubSpot account, or create a workflow or sequence with assigned presentations to specific contact groups. There is no need to manually create a contact after planning and showing the presentation to a potential client. New contacts are created automatically. Install the extension in the HubSpot app marketplace to start working with the HubSpot application. After the application is installed, the Pitch Avatar block will appear in the extension's feed. Log into your Pitch Avatar account to start working with the application. Now you can create a presentation link and assign it to the contact. The user was assigned a presentation event that should appear in Contact's activity feed. When the assigned link is opened, viewed, and finally closed, the track records of these events will be created. They appear in the activity feed and in the presentation's history. Create new leads automatically. New contacts are created in HubSpot after viewing a presentation. All the data entered in the lead form will be stored in contact information. Get analytics. Customized HubSpot reports will include personal data, details of the presentation viewed, and the viewing date.